The topic that we are going to discuss in detail again, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. Okay. Now, where does this act apply? Where is the applicability?
For regulating inward and outward exchange of money.
No, that is the purpose of the act. Where the provisions are applicable. Whether this is within India or it applies outside India also.
Outside India also.
Both places.
Both.
Both within and outside India.
No.
Outside India.
Outside India. This is within India. And another is outside India. Right? As far as within India is concerned, this applies to every person. So whether that person is a resident or non-resident, that doesn't make a difference. Whether he's a citizen or not a citizen, provisions are applicable. Right? Now, who is the person?
An individual.
HUI, Hindu, undivided Hindu.
Company.
Yeah. Then he is a firm, a company.
Partnership.
Resident in India.
Section 2, clause number U.
Yes.
Section 2, clause number U.
Yeah.
Individual, HUF, firm,
company,
any legal entity created in India, whether registered or not, and every other which is not covered above. Okay, so every person, whether he is a citizen or not, whether he is a resident or not, but as long as he falls within the category of person, and if it is in India, provisions of FEMA are applicable to him. What about the applicability outside India? This is only to persons resident in India. If a person who's resident in India goes outside India, whether he will be governed by the law of that country or law of this country.
That country.
Both the countries.
To watch full video, join the regular online batch Call Tayal Institute.